Kevin up here in the back, and today I got the Elgato Facecam. All right, so we're gonna unbox it, talk about this, see what this thing can do, and see what it's looking like. All right, guys, so I got goals today. You got goals today. Throw them things up for you, boy. Let's get this video started. Alright, so here we are, the Elgato Facecam. Alright, so it's a full HD 1080p, low latency, and I also have Elgato Prime Lens Studio Quality Optics. You have true HD quality, ultra low latency, Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, anti-reflective all glare lens, and 82-degree field of view. Alright, so what comes in the box is the Facecam, privacy cap, motion with 1/4 of a thread, detachable USB Type-C port, and a quick start guide. Alright, so on the back is shoots in raw video, zero compressed, low latency, maximum image quality, state-of-the-art Sony sensor, powerful low light performance, Elgato flash memory, save settings directly to the camera, true HD at 60 frames per second, stunning 1080p resolution at a fluid 60 frames per second. Advanced image engine, ultra fast processor and superior noise reduction, Elgato Prime lens. Alright, so here's the spec for that. So it's all glass fixed focus lens, and here's the focal right here. So the system requirements: you need a Windows 10 64-bit, Mac OS 11.0, and a USB 3.0 or higher. And also here's some additional tech specs if you guys want to read it to yourself. Alright, so when you first open it up, you get the quick guide book. Oh, you got your USB Type-C port right here. More instructions right here. And then lastly, you got the webcam itself, the Elgato logo. And here it is right here. Okay, it's pretty big, you know, nice size. And here it is right here. Looks nice. Here's the back. The back has a USB Type-C port, mounts, and screw to fix the where you want to mount it at. But here it is. It looks pretty cool, nice and small, not too much with it, and that's what I like, you know. But it's cool to come with this too. Seems like an actual camera, like a DSLR or, you know, photography camera. You know what I'm saying? And it's pretty cool. Alright, so next we're gonna go over the directions. So first things first, you want to download the Elgato files for it. Next, you want to mount the camera on whatever you need. You can mount it anywhere you want to set it up. Unscrew this part, set it anywhere you want to, or mount it on a TV or a computer, desktop, whatever you need to mount it on. You give it a mount onto attachment. So you have a camera you want to attach it to. Alternatively, you can do that too. And also remove the privacy cap too when you're finished. Alright, then also you want to connect the USB piece from here onto the back of another PC or wherever you want to use it. Then lastly, clean it. And here are some other uses for it. So you can actually use this for Zoom, Skype, MS Teams, Slack, OBS, Google Meet, Slobs, and FaceTime. And pause on a Google Meet, okay? You can Google My Meet. And then once again, here's more tech specifications if you guys want to know that. I'm pretty sure I went through all of it, but here's it again. Alright, so here it is right now. Here's the Elgato. Yeah, look at your boy. You know what I'm saying? You got your arm, you got everything. I look red though, for real. Like, I don't know why I look red. You know? I look reddish. You got the shirt. The shirt colors look good. Just that I'm a little red. That's the only thing. You got my hands, nice detail. Nice detail in my hand. Let's see, what else can I get? Alright. Yep, if you guys know these shoes, you know these shoes. I ain't saying nothing really special, but I'm saying picks up on nice colors. So this is orange, green. The colors look nice. What y'all think? I think the colors look nice. On here, it's picking up really well. Look, they got the holes on it. I'm trying to find. Look, they put the spec. But look, yo, look at that good texture on it. You can actually see the stuff on the shoe. So alright, here's the Elgato Facecam right here. I think it did really good. Wasn't expensive. It's a great webcam. You get to play, like I said, Twitch, Xbox, PS5, whatever you guys want to use it for, PC games, whatever, live stream. It's a good thing. So Elgato, it was an easy setup. And so before I forget, I do have a hub for it. It is a USB Type C. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. So I have a Mac. If you guys need a hub for it. But yeah, that's just what it is. What do you guys think? I think it's nice. I like it. I'm just a little red. The contrast is a little high, but it's all good though. Yeah, I think it's all good. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's definitely passable. Definitely an A. Nice quality. Nice definition. You know what I'm saying? Proved all of that. But yeah, what do y'all think? Y'all gotta be the judge. Y'all gotta be the one that buys this. So yeah, I'm out. Throw this for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. It's done. Let's get it.